for watching Afternoon Live. Are you looking for a colorful craft to get the kids in the St. Patty's Day spirit? Well, our next guest has a project that is not only fun, but educational too. We welcome back to Afternoon Live. Science author and illustrator Katherine is back with us today. So good to have you.
Hi, thank you for having me back.
And doing something super fun, slime.
Yes.
All kids love slime. What is it about slime?
They loved it. We had so much fun testing these recipes this week to perfect it for St. Patty's Day. We've got 3 different recipes to try. And I love slime because it's really simple. There's just a couple of ingredients. You need a polymer, which in this case is going to be glue, and then an activator, which is saline solution. And with these simple ingredients just from the grocery store or the dollar store, you can make all different kinds of slime.
Is that just saline solution like that you put in your contacts?
Yeah.
That's what it looks like my contacts.
Yeah, it has to have boric acid and sodium borate for it to work.
I've never looked at the ingredients of my saline solution, but I now will. Yeah. So this is going to be a green one.
Yeah, so this is our basic slime. We're calling this Lucky Slime. So we've got white glue in here. We've got a 4-ounce bottle. We've got a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're going to dump in our green food coloring. Do you want to do it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right, you want to mix that up?
Yeah.
And then we're going to pour in our activator. So right now it's just gooey, right? Just like normal glue. But then you'll see when we dump this in, so stir, keep going. It'll start to clump up.
Oh, okay. So I want it to clump.
Yep, you do.
So used to, with the cooking, you want it to clump, not really clump.
Keep going.
Okay.
There we go. And now we're getting slime.
Yep.
Yeah, and pull it away from here.
Oh my gosh, it is slime.
Right? Yeah.
Oh, look, it comes right apart from the bowl.
Yeah.
She's like, come on, Kara, get into it.
Go for it.
Check that out. Oh, this is like my youngest daughter's favorite thing. And I don't know. But I'm kind of feeling it now.
It's
the
so
freeze,
fun, right?
It does come right off your skin.
Yeah. So this is called a non-Newtonian fluid because it's not solid and it's not liquid, but you can keep playing with it. If you want it a little bit firmer, you can add more baking soda or more activator. But you have to be careful because it can clump up so much that it's not slime anymore.
And how long does it last?
Probably the day. You can put it in a Tupperware and it'll still be different tomorrow, a little bit firmer each day.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just don't want to work with it too much because then it gets firm.
Yep.
Right? Okay.
Yep.
So cool. Do you put glitter in it?
You can. Okay. I was going to do glitter in one later.
Oh, no, that's later.
Okay. So this one is a variation of the basic slime. Same thing. We've got a bottle of glue, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of water, and then we're going to put shaving cream in this one to make it fluffy. So I'm going to give you one, and we're going to do another. We're going to get 2 cups.
Did you shake it? No?
Yeah, I guess shake it. So you do this one, and I'll do this one. Let's see if we can get it going.
That, a lot of it?
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
And then do this one. No, it's great. Yours is working faster than mine. That's good right there.
Okay. Don't you love it? The one that's near the end of the bottle or something. Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Dump in color.
This one's fun.
Here.
I'm going to do red. Is that okay?
Yeah, great. Oops, I'm going to have a stained hand. That's okay. Okay, that's going to be purple. That one's pink. And this one is going to be blue. I'm going to get one of these. Excuse me.
There we go.
Okay.
Is that enough red?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's do it.
Oh, just mix it up.
Okay.
So we're just.
So what does the shaving cream do?
It makes it fluffy and kind of more foamy.
But it won't make it sticky.
No, because we're going to put the activator in it, and then we'll still get slime.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at that pretty pink.
Yeah.
Was that purple food coloring?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Okay.
That's really, really pretty.
Yeah.
I need that for Easter. Okay.
This one's a gel, I think. Okay, so now let's dump in our activator. So you've got one here, and I've got this one.
And this is just the saline solution.
Yeah, and we're going to dump this in. Okay, and then we got to mix.
Okay.
It's going to do the same thing.
Same thing. So we're looking for it to come apart from the bowl.
Yeah.
So the faster the better?
You can be pretty vigorous, sure. Starting to mix?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
This is really looking like a pink marshmallow to me.
Yeah.
Do not eat.
Yes, do not eat. There are edible slimes that you can make out of vanilla pudding and starch, but...
Oh, with how much kids have those in their hands,
I guess, yeah, if you've got like
too.
little toddlers, you might want to do an edible one, but you still don't really want to eat it.
Yeah.
This is the easiest.
This one would taste horrible.
Yes.
The shaving cream.
It smells like shaving cream.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah,
Maybe
I think
we need
so.
a little more activator. Let's see here. I'm gonna
just a few.
Yeah, there we go. Spray a little more in.
So that's if you're seeing it not come apart from the bowl, just put in more activator.
Yep, just a little bit more.
Oh yeah, this does remind me of just baking. And the science of it all, of figuring all this out, is a good lesson for kids too.
For sure, you can talk about mixtures, solutions, viscosity. Here we go.
Viscosity, that's a word.
So viscosity, so if it's more thick,
oh, I have green
then
on
it's
my
more
hands. I don't want to get it.
viscous.
Okay, I want to turn my pink one green.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my favorite so far. We
so
will
I need
make
a
this
little
in
more
our
of
house. This is awesome.
You can spray it on your hands so that it's not sticking as much.
But I really like that purple color.
Well, here, we'll try.
No, I'm good.
Well, what we can do now is we can move this over, and then we can make a rainbow, right? So you can put them together.
Yeah.
Right? You could do like a rainbow.
This is like a unicorn slime.
Yeah. Here, we'll get this out of the way.
Like that? I love the texture. I'm getting into
fun,
this.
right?
I see my kids like it so much. I doubted it because you think to yourself, this spills on the carpet and it's going to be
glitter.
This is the unicorn slime.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
So
that
look
is
at
cool.
Let's see how far we can stretch it. Goes pretty far.
Oh, my pink one failed us. That is so fun.
Like, it's just super fun.
That is really fun. It really does not take that much.
No.
Oh, but this one's all for St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, so this is the last one. So we got pot of gold. So this is clear glue this time. Still a quarter teaspoon of baking soda.
I've never seen this before.
It's great.
Okay.
That's fantastic. Okay, so let's see. How you do this one? You pour in that.
So what do we have in here? Just the clear glue. That's
the
it.
clear glue, water, and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. Dump in that, and then here you do this. You mix up. Oops.
Okay.
So the clear glue, you can really focus on the mix-ins.
Yeah, and the sparkle.
Yeah.
There we go.
There's an extra one there.
That was easy.
Yeah.
That's fun.
And now you need your activator.
Okay. And the
that
saline.
right there. Yeah. There's a little more saline this time.
Contact solution.
It's actually a little bit different, I think. It has to, as long as it has the borates in it, you're good.
Oh, this one's going quick.
Yeah.
I feel it.
Okay.
Yeah. And look, I even brought like pennies and stuff.
So there's so many mix-ins that you can do, right? You can do pennies, googly eyes, pom-poms, and use the clear, which is the pom-poms. So much different glitter. If you've got a little one at home, you can hide things in it, like a car or a little toy.
Okay.
So all different ways that you want to do it.
And would I put those in now?
If I was thinking we could leave it as the lucky slime, but if you wanted to do...
Oh, no, I'm good. I just was curious how you put the little pom-poms
Oh, you would just mix them straight in.
Huh.
Yeah.
Well, this one's really... Is there such
Really
a thing as putting too much in?
No, I don't
Too
think
much
so.
activator?
Well, it can get pretty tough, but here, let's get a little bit more in there.
And last...
I always want to sneak up to it.
All right. Oh, it's coming to an end here. I'm going to get this out.
Yeah.
I need to show off this one.
Okay.
I like those colors that you have too. And so the pennies just go in the middle of it too.
Yeah, yeah.
I like that. Our St. Patrick's Day, no, our pot of gold slime. Katherine, this was so much fun.
Oh,
Thank you for the little science project today.
You're welcome.
They're awesome. Wow, I love it. Thank you. And you give us all these recipes?
Yep,
Okay.
it'll be on the website.
We are set. Thank you again. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Thank you, you too.
All right, we'll have more information about Katherine and her books and these slime recipes on our website at KATU.com. Do not go away. Afternoon Live will be right back. I'm fascinated. Bye for now.